When you feel like throwing in the towel, remember this. Take a breath with me, because today we're going to talk about that moment, the one nobody wants to admit they've had, the moment where you whisper under your breath, I don't know if I can keep doing this. If you've ever felt that, congratulations. It means you're in the arena. It means you're actually building something. People who aren't building anything don't get tired. People who aren't stretching themselves don't feel resistant. You only feel like throwing in the towel when you're trying to rise. And that's exactly why today matters. Here's the truth most people avoid saying out loud. Building your digital business isn't hard because you're doing it wrong. It's hard because you're doing something new. You're unlearning old programming. You're stepping out of survival mode. You're literally becoming someone you've never been before. That's uncomfortable. That's emotional. That's draining sometimes. But it is not a sign to quit. It's a sign you're transforming. Most people misunderstand the discomfort and mislabel it as failure. But discomfort is the doorway to new possibilities. If you feel the urge to quit, that means you're closer to a breakthrough than you realize. When you feel like giving up, remember why you started. Remember the moment you said, I'd want more than what I have right now. Remember the moment something inside you said, I'm meant for something bigger. And remember this, you don't need everything to make sense. You just need to take the next step. Give yourself the green light. The stuff you're dealing with, the doubts, the slow days, the low engagement, the missed expectations, that's part of the path. The process is not punishment, it's preparation. You are being prepared for the life you said you wanted. You are being shaped for the results you're fighting for. You are learning the resilience required to hold the success that's coming. Nobody with a thriving digital business skipped the stage. Nobody. You're not behind, you're becoming. Some days it will feel like no one else sees you. Some days it will feel like you're doing everything right and nothing's working. Some days it will feel like everyone else is winning except you. Write this down. Comparison is the thief of momentum. You're not here to outrun anyone. You're here to outlast your old patterns. You're here to show up one more day than a version of you that quits. That is the secret. That is the entire game. You win by not quitting. What you're really building. You're not just selling a product. You're building a new normal. You're creating time freedom and income, options, and skill set no one can ever take from you. Your business doesn't just change your finances. It changes your self-trust. Every piece of content you post, every small win, every lesson, every step forward is a deposit in your future. This is bigger than the moment you feel stuck in. So breathe. You're doing enough. Let me remind you of something powerful. You're not doing this alone. You have access to support, tools, training, community, mentorship, and solutions built to shorten the learning curve. And if Turnkey Flow is part of your journey, remember this. You don't have to stretch yourself thin to start. We offer flexible payment plan options so you can move forward without stress. Because the goal isn't perfection. The goal is momentum. Your success doesn't come from being or doing everything. It comes from doing something today. So when you feel like throwing in the towel, don't. Pause. Recenter. Take one step. You've come too far to go back, and you're far too capable to quit now. This chapter you're in, it's not where you stop. It's where you rise. You've got this, and we're doing it together. Until next time, peace.